I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the fourth lesson of Standard 2. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordova Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson, The Wind and the Sun. The sun and the wind are friends. So both sun and wind, they were friends. One day they quarrel over who is stronger. So one day what happened? They were quarreling. They had an argument or a fight. They were quarreling over who is stronger. The sun says he is stronger than the wind. What is the sun saying? The sun says that he is stronger than the wind. The wind says he is stronger than the sun. But what is the wind saying? The wind says that he is stronger than the sun. They don't know how to decide who is stronger. And both sun and the wind, they don't know how to decide who is stronger. Then they see a man walking down the road. So suddenly the sun and the wind, they saw a man walking down the road. He is wearing a coat. So what was this man wearing? He was wearing a coat. Seeing him, the wind gets an idea. Seeing the man walking down the road, the wind, an idea came to the mind of the wind. Seeing him, the wind gets an idea. What the idea is and how the quarrel ends. So in this lesson, you are going to study what was the idea the wind had and how the quarrel ends between the wind and the sun. Wind. Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? So wind is telling sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get this coat off more quickly than you can. See, the wind is telling, see, can you see that man? The wind is telling to the sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get this coat off more quickly than you can. To prove that I am stronger than you. So that I can prove that I am stronger than you. Sun, smiling. That is a good idea. So what is the sun saying? That is a good idea. You try first. So sun is telling wind, you try first. First wind is going to try. So wind, puffing his cheeks and blowing hard with a frown. So wind is trying. Okay, wind is telling he was puffing his cheeks, blowing his cheeks and blowing hard with a frown. Foo, woo, woo. Man, how strong the wind is today. So man is telling, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. See, because of the wind, the man's coat is blowing away. See, it is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly around myself. The man has to hold his coat tightly around himself. He holds his coat and wraps it around himself very tightly. You can see in the picture, the man is holding his coat and wrapping it around himself very tightly. The wind, blowing harder with a frown. So wind is blowing hard with a frown. Woo, woo. Man, pulling his coat more tightly. So the man is pulling his coat very tightly. How cold it is. So when the wind is blowing, what happened? The man is pulling his coat more tightly. And he's telling how cold it is. Then wind, sun, I give up. So what is the wind saying? Wind is saying that sun, I give up. I cannot get this coat off. See, Wind at last said that I am giving up this. See, I cannot get his coat. I cannot remove away this man's coat. Then, what is sun saying? Now it is my turn. Now again, the sun is going to try his turn. So, sun is telling, now it is my turn. Let me try. Let me try if I am able to remove that man's coat off. He smiles and shines brightly. See, the sun is now going to try his luck. So sun is going to, sun is telling, he smiles and he shines. The sun is smiles and shines brightly. So man, what a funny day. sometimes it is so cold and sometimes it is so warm. So man is telling, now when the sun is shining brightly, what is the man telling? What a funny day. Sometimes it is so cold, sometimes the day is very cold and sometimes it is very warm. Warm means hot. So sun smiling and shining brighter. Now the sun is now smiling and shining brighter. I am going to make him feel warmer and warmer. What is the sun telling? Sun is telling, I am going to make the man feel warmer and warmer. Man wiping his face. You can see in the picture. He has got lots of sweat on his face. See, he is wiping his face. I must take off my coat. See, he is sweating and he is telling that I have to take off my coat. Sun, wind, I have won. So, sun is telling to wind. What is sun telling to the wind? I have won. I have made him take off his coat. So, it was the sun who won the one. No, and he is telling that I have made the man take off his coat. So, dear friend, remember that the strongest thing is a smile. So, what is the strongest thing? Is a smile. You can make people do things you want them to do with a smile, not with a frown. See, you can make others do things for you, but it can be with a smile or with a frown. See, you can make people do things you want them to do with a smile, not with a frown. You must make others do things for you with a smile and not with an angry face. So, the wind and the sun becomes friends again. Now, both became friends again. So, what is the moral of the story? We can solve any problem with a smile on our face. Any problem can be solved in this world. But only thing that you should have is you should have a smile on your face. I hope you all understood this lesson. Please read this lesson and please share this with your friends and relatives. Then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.